Hello, YouTubers. We out at Black Point Harbor today, fishing with the family. As you can see, my son fishing out there. We also is crabbing at the same time too. So we just gonna try to show y'all fish and crabs if it's possible. But it look like it's gonna rain out here. But we hope to catch something for y'all can see that we at is at Black Point Marina. So we just here to catch fish today. So we are blogging at Black Point Harbor today. As you see, we trying to catch some crabs, we trying to catch some fish. So we out here. You see all the yachts. You see everything going on. Yeah, we out here trying to do it. Trying to see if we can catch anything. Well, y'all know we out here. We figure we'll come out today, take the family out, the kids out of school, and try to catch something out here. But tomorrow we probably be in the Everglades. Gonna be in the Everglades, doing some fishing in the Everglades. So y'all get ready for it, cause we bringing it. We trying to catch. We just thank y'all for just liking and subscribing to our channel. And we hope to catch a lot of fish to show y'all this is what we do in our free time. We try to share things with everybody.
Yeah,
so y'all can come to know how to fish and crab too. So what you got to say, Mama?
Nothing.
Go fins.
Go fins.
Catch a lot of fish. Catch a lot of fish.
Right now, we spot one crab in the water right now. And
Well, y'all see the water? We out here, we trying to get it.
but it went under the rock again.
The crab went under the rock?
Yeah, it was coming out of the rock. Now it's going back to see us.
Okay, so
Because we have to make.
we out here. So we out here to trying to get it.
One down, one to go. Hold them out.
So y'all YouTubers, y'all like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Miley 305. And always remember to push the what, Mommy?
Notification.
Notification. So we can always be out here trying to catch. So as you see, we out here trying to get it. See Tony over there, Twan over there. They over there. But Twan ain't a fisherman, so well, he like to play that game, so we let him brought his game to play his game. But Tonio out here trying to catch it. And the reason my wife ain't, she just got out of the hospital, so that's why she's not fishing. But you know, we doing what we could always do with the kids, hang out with the kids to show them a better way than what's the world showing them. Being together as a family, that's the most important thing. So that's what we doing. Showing, hanging out, and doing what we do best. Loving each other and always depending on each other. As y'all see, Tony don't move to a new spot. Well, we try not to get caught up in this rain, but we is bringing the blog to you. We hope to catch some crabs and some fish, so everybody can be like our videos. Just if you have any comments, just comment and we'll comment back at you. But we is at Black Point Marina, and tomorrow we probably be at Everglades. So they trying to catch some crabs. As you see, my wife got the squid in her hand. She's gonna hook the squid onto the net, and so see if the crabs hook onto it. So we're gonna try to get it. As you see,
It came out the rocks, you guys.
the crab came out.
crab, a baby, a small broken crab, but I can't tell.
They
But
ain't
they pick something up.
and then it attach itself to the fish.
But the basket not on flat surface. That's why I'm trying to pick it up. But every time I pick it up, he'll go back under. Nice size crab too.
Yeah, you just gotta get him out the water. Get him out the water so we can show the YouTubers what we catching today.
But I want to put it on flat surface.
Just pull it up, put the squid on there, and throw it back out. He ain't gonna go nowhere. He under them rocks.
Yeah, I did the squid. Open it. I cut it open.
Well, you gotta get him. You can show the people from YouTube. He deep.
Huh?
The crab deep.
No, see it right there?
You can take the camera and try to get it. Picture of it. No, mama. I don't want you dropping my.
How you zoom in?
I know how to zoom in. You just, yeah. Touch it with.
Trying to zoom in so you guys can see the crab. Not sure if you can see it. It's a nice size blue crab. There's actually two crabs. One is the baby. And I'm not sure if it's three because on the back of this big one, it looks like a third one. It looks like a male. So I don't know if this is a large male or actually three crabs. See in the back of it? It looks like the male part, but you can't tell if it's a big one or just. I tried to zoom in, it wouldn't zoom.
What tools do you have on your phone?
We're trying to see if the crab gonna come out and get in the basket, so we can bring it up to show y'all that we're catching crabs today and fish.
Yeah.
But we doing saltwater today, and hopefully, if the rain kind of hold up, we'll try to do some freshwater fishing too. As you see. You can't pick up the basket and throw it close to him?
That's what I was trying to do.
Because he don't want to come up, because he probably can see you.
It looked like three. Closer.
Yeah, that's too far. Nah, don't cut it. Just throw it out.
The fish. put splits in it.
Yeah, they ain't gonna eat it just like that. They probably ain't even gonna eat that fish. They want that squid. Just leave it there, see if he come out. That look like a female.
But it don't look like something under, like it's finna have a baby or what, or had the baby or what? Or it's a third crab or what?
I don't know, they might be mating.
That's probably why it ain't coming out really.
They hungry, they'll eat. They'll come out. Just
See
get.
the little one though, right?
Yeah, you just gotta wait and be patient. I see him moving. The crab moving, y'all. Gonna see if he gonna get in the basket. Gonna see if he gonna get in the basket. Okay, he moving. Moving his arms. Okay. Come on, Krabby.
Going back on the water. I think it's two, they mating. But you see, reaching out the claws like it's getting food.
He ain't getting no food. Maybe the basket too far.
That's why I was saying when you move it so hard. Too far.
Just leave it there, see what happens.
Tonyo, you finished? You fishing? Why you don't try over here? Y'all out the house. Not in the house.
I don't know what Mama doing.
Oh, Poppy, his door open. He putting his stuff in his truck.
Okay, we're gonna move down, guys, to another spot. We'll come back.